Namaskar, welcome to Daily Weather Briefing Program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the extremely heavy rainfall was reported over the Rayalaseema and very heavy rainfall was reported over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and South Interior Karnataka. And heavy rainfall was reported over the south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam and Gujarat region. In Rayalaseema, maximum 24 centimeter rainfall was reported. In Tamil Nadu, in Puducherry, in maximum 19 centimeter rainfall. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, maximum 11 centimeter. In Gujarat region, maximum 8, and in South Interior Karnataka, maximum 18 centimeter rainfall was reported. If we look into the synoptic feature, then yesterday's depression over the southwest Bay of Bengal has crossed the North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast between Puducherry and Chennai during the 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock of today early morning as a depression, and this depression has weakened into a well marked low pressure area over the north interior Tamil Nadu and adjoining areas of Rayalaseema and Karnataka. So, and in the lower tropospheric levels, a trough is also running from the cyclonic circulation associated with the well-marked low pressure area over the north interior Tamil Nadu to the interior parts of the Odisha across the coastal Andhra Pradesh. Because of these two systems, there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and South Odisha and South Chhattisgarh also. And in the Arabian Sea, the yesterday's low pressure area over the east central Arabian Sea has intensified into a well marked low pressure area over the same region, and because of which the moderate to intense convection over that area can be seen. And in the lower tropospheric level, a trough is also running from the east central Arabian Sea to the west Madhya Pradesh across the Maharashtra and south Gujarat region. So because of which there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and adjoining South UP. Because of this well-marked low pressure area over which lies over the north interior Tamil Nadu and basically which is a remnant of the depression, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at the most places and heavy rainfall at isolated places very likely to continue over Rayalaseema, entire Karnataka, North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal during next 2 days, and over the south coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Kerala during next 24 hours. And because of the well-marked low pressure area over the east central Arabian Sea, there will be the squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph and rough to very rough sea conditions over the east central Arabian Sea on 19th of November, 20th November, and squally weather and rough sea conditions over central parts of the Arabian Sea on 20th of November, because of which fishermen are advised not to venture east central Arabian Sea for the next 2 days and over the central parts of Arabian Sea on 20th of November. And this is the fisherman warning in the graphical form. And if you look into the weather forecast and warning in the graphical form, and so there will be the heavy rainfall activity will continue over the many parts of South Peninsular India during next 2 days, that is 19th of November and 20th of November. And after the 20th November, there will be the significant reduction in rainfall activity over entire South Peninsular India. However, the light to moderate rain over some parts of the South Peninsular India will continue in the subsequent 3 to 4 days, and there also will be uh, possibility of heavy rainfall at one or two places over the south interior Karnataka on 21st of November and over Kerala and Tamil Nadu region on 22nd and 23rd of November. Except the Kerala and Tamil Nadu and south interior Karnataka, there will not be any significant weather over the remaining parts of the south peninsular India during the 21st of November to 23rd of November. And because there is a trough is running in the lower tropospheric levels from the east central Arabian Sea up to the west Madhya Pradesh. Because of that, there will be isolated thunderstorm and lightning over the Gujarat region, Saurashtra and Kutch, West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And there is also a possibility of heavy rainfall at one or two places over the Goa and adjoining South Konkan region on 20th of November. Except these weathers, there is not any significant weather over remaining parts of the country in the upcoming 4 to 5 days. You can download the Mausam app, Damni app, and Meghdoot app for the location specific forecast and warning, lightning alert, and agro advisory services. You can also follow us on our Twitter page, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information. Thank you.